Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. Let me start with an important question. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Let's see the options. Buxa Tiger Reserve, Jammu and Kashmir. Kabul Lamjawo National Park, Manipur. Manas National Park, West Bengal. Hemis National Park, Kerala. Out of four options, only one is correct. That is Kabul Lamjawo National Park in Manipur is the right answer. The remaining three are incorrect. Why? Because Buxa Tiger Reserve is in West Bengal. Manas National Park is in Assam. Hemis National Park is in Ladakh. So B is the correct answer. To answer this kind of questions, we should be very thorough with all the national parks in India. So that's why I came with a great initiative, that is national parks. In this video, I am covering every national park of our India, and that too statewide. So very important. Definitely we can expect a question in the coming up prelims examination. Let's start with the first state, that is Andhra Pradesh. So in the map you can see that red mark is at Andhra Pradesh. Let's see what are the national parks are there in Andhra Pradesh states. Papikonda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, it is at Rameshwaram. Sri Venkateshwara National Parks. So these are belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Moving on to the second state, Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital city is Itanagar. Mauling National Park, first one. Namdapha National Park, very important, Namdapha National Park in Arunachal Pradesh. Let's move on to the Assam. Its capital city is Dispur. First one is Dibru Saikhowa National Park, very important in Assam. Dehing Patkai National Park in Assam. Kaziranga National Park, which is a World Heritage Site. So which I am giving in this green color are World Heritage Sites. So Kaziranga National Park is very important in Assam. Manas National Park, also World Heritage Site. This is also in Assam. Nameri National Park. These are the national parks of Assam state. Very important. Orang National Park. So 6 national parks are there in Assam state. This tiger. So this is very famous in Kaziranga National Park. So tigers are most populous in the Kaziranga National Park. Moving on to the Bihar. Its capital city is Patna. In Bihar you have only one national park, that is Valmiki National Park. So moving on to the Chhattisgarh. Its capital city is Raipur. The national parks in this Chhattisgarh are Guru Ghasidas Sanjay National Park, Indravati National Park, Kangargati National Park. These are the national parks of Chhattisgarh. Moving on to the Goa. Its capital city is Panaji. In this Goa, Molem National Park is there. Only one national park in Goa, Molem National Park. Moving on to the Gujarat state. Its capital city is Gandhinagar. In this, Black Buck National Park is there, Velavadar. Gir Forest National Park, very famous Gir Forest National Park in Gujarat. Marine National Park, Gulf of Kutch. Vansda National Park. So these are the 4 national parks in Gujarat. This is Asiatic lion. This is famous in Gir Forest National Park. Next state is Haryana. Haryana capital city is Chandigarh. The national parks are Kaleshwar National Park, Sultanpur National Park. Next move on to the Himachal Pradesh. Its capital city is Shimla. Great Himalayan National Park. This is also World Heritage Site. So very important. Indarkila National Park, Kirganga National Park, Pin Valley National Park, Simbalbara. Moving on to the Jharkhand. So Jharkhand capital city is Ranchi. Betla National Park is there in Jharkhand. Next move on to the Karnataka state. In Karnataka, its capital city is Bengaluru. Anshi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Banerghatta National Park, Kudremukh National Park, Nagarhole National Park. Moving on to the Kerala, its capital city is Thiruvananthapuram. National parks are Anamudi Shola National Park, Iravikulam National Park, Mathikettan Shola National Park, Pambadum Shola National Park, Periyar National Park, Silent Valley National Park. These are some of the famous and important national parks, and Kerala is famous for national parks. So these are elephants. Mathikettan Shola National Park is famous for elephants. Next state is Madhya Pradesh. Its capital city is Bhopal. Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park also in Madhya Pradesh. Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Madhav National Park. Mandla Plant Fossils National Park. Panna National Park. Pench National Park. Sanjay National Park. Satpura National Park and Vanvihar National Park. These are the 10 famous national parks in Madhya Pradesh. Very, very important. So out of this Madhya Pradesh national parks, you can expect a question in the coming up prelims examination. Here, Bandhavgarh National Park is famous for 1336 species of endemic plants. So very, very important, Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Moving on to the Maharashtra state, which is having the capital city Mumbai. National parks are Chandoli National Park, Gugamal National Park, Navegon National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba National Park. These are the national parks of Maharashtra. Very important. Next, moving on to the Manipur. Its capital city is Imphal. So in Manipur, we can see Kaibul Lamjao National Park. I told you that this is very famous because of it is the only floating park in the world. Floating park in the world. So its name is Loktak Lake, which is in Manipur. Kaibul Lamjao National Park, Loktak Lake in Manipur. Next, Sirohi National Park, also in Manipur. Moving on to the Meghalaya, its capital city is Shillong. Balpakram National Park, Nokrek National Park. This is also WBR means World Biosphere Reserve. So we seen World Heritage Sites till now. WBR means World Biosphere Reserve. So Nokrek National Park is World Biosphere Reserve, which is in Meghalaya. Next, moving on to the Mizoram, its capital city is Aizawl. Murlen National Park, Phangpui Blue Mountain National Park. Next, Nagaland. So capital city is Kohima. Engtanki National Park, Odisha. Its capital city is Bhubaneswar. Bhitarkanika National Park, very famous in Odisha. Simlipal National Park, Rajasthan. Its capital city is Jaipur. In Rajasthan, we can see Desert National Park, Keoladio National Park. This is also World Heritage Site. Keoladio National Park is in Rajasthan. Mukundra Hills National Park, Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore National Park is famous for tigers, and Sariska Tiger Reserve. So these are the 5 famous and important national parks in Rajasthan which we can expect in the examination. So this is Great Indian Bustard, which is famous in Desert National Park. Great Indian Bustard. Sikkim, its capital city is Gangtok. So the national park is like Kanchenjunga National Park, World Heritage Site. Very, very famous Kanchenjunga National Park. Coming to Tamil Nadu, its capital city is Chennai. Gindi National Park, very famous. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. Mudumalai National Park. These are famous national parks in Tamil Nadu. Mukurthi National Park. And this is the Thar, Indian Thar. It is famous in Mukurthi National Park. Next, Telangana state, its capital city is Hyderabad. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, KBR Park. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Mrugavani National Park. 3 national parks are there in Telangana. Next, Tripura. Its capital city is Agartala. Bison, Rajbari National Park. Clouded Leopard National Park, Uttar Pradesh. Its capital city is Lucknow. Dudhwa National Park in Uttarakhand. Its capital city is Dehradun. In Uttarakhand, we can see Gangotri National Park, Govind Pashu Vihar National Park, Jim Corbett National Park. This is very famous. Definitely, we should concentrate on this. This is the first national park in India which was established in 1936 as Hailey National Park. So, Jim Corbett is also the first national park established in 1936. Very, very important. Jim Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi National Park, again World Biosphere Reserve. Nanda Devi National Park also there in Uttarakhand. So in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett National Park and Nanda Devi National Park. Two are famous. Rajaji National Park. This is also famous in Uttarakhand. Valley of Flowers National Park. This is World Heritage Site. Look at this. Uttarakhand has 6 national parks. Out of 6, Jim Corbett National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park. These are famous in Uttarakhand. Next, moving on to the West Bengal. So we are entering into Sundarbans. Very, very famous in the world, not only in India. So its capital city is Kolkata. So Buxa Tiger Reserve, Jaldapara National Park, Neora Valley National Park, Singalia National Park, Sundarbans National Park. So here Sundarbans is a World Heritage Site, very, very famous, and we should concentrate on this area Sundarbans because of mangroves. Mangroves forest is more in this West Bengal, Sundarbans. So this is famous. What is this? Indian rhinoceros. It is famous in Jaldapara National Park. So very famous. Indian rhinoceros is famous in Jaldapara National Park, which is in West Bengal. Moving on to Punjab. Punjab does not have any national park. You should remember this. Punjab does not have any national park. So moving on to the Union Territories. Till now we covered all the states, 28 states. Moving on to the Union Territories. First of all, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital city is Port Blair. Campbell Bay National Park, Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Middle Button Island National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, North Button Island National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, South Button Island National Park. So here we see Middle Button, North Button, South Button national parks in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these are birds. Birds are famous in Mount Harriet National Park in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Birds. So Mount Harriet National Park is famous for different kinds of birds. So which is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Recently, this Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu merged together. Now it is called as only one, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. So that's why we should concentrate on this. But there is no national park in this Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see Dachigam National Park, very important. Kishtawar National Park, very important. Salim Ali National Park, famous one. And this Dachigam National Park is only area where Kashmir stag is found. Moving on to the Ladakh, its capital city is Leh. So in Ladakh we can see Hemis National Park, which is largest national park in India. So Ladakh is famous for largest national park, that is Hemis National Park. So recently Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh became Union Territories. That's why we should concentrate on this area. So Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. In Ladakh we can see this Hemis National Park, which is largest in the area of the national parks. Moving on to the Lakshadweep, its capital city is Kavaratti, but Lakshadweep does not have any national parks. Moving on to Puducherry, its capital city is Pondicherry, and it is not having any national parks. Delhi, the National Capital Territory, NCT or NCR region. So its capital city is New Delhi. Delhi does not have any national parks. Coming on to the Chandigarh, so its capital city is Chandigarh only, but it is not having any national parks.